You know, if you're kind of a weather nerd like I am, you would actually love something like this. They're inexpensive, and usually people overestimate the wind speeds, I think. You hear them talking about, oh, it was really windy, gusts up to 30. I think most of the time those estimations are wrong. With a wind meter like this, you can be exact. You know exactly what's going on. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the BTMETER BT100. It is a handheld anemometer or wind gauge, and this is everything that you get. It comes with batteries. They do include a little screwdriver, and just install those in the back of the meter. It's very simple to use, and that's what I was looking for. You simply press the red button to power it on, and you've got these buttons to change the unit. Like right now, I am in the mile per hour, so I could click that, just push the button and change it. There's not, I like mile per hour, I'm going to leave it there. Also down on this button here, you can change from Fahrenheit to centigrade. So it's 75.6 degrees in here right now. You've got a battery indicator right there. If you want to turn on the backlight, press the light symbol button. What better place to check out a wind speed gauge than on the beach? All right, the wind is hitting me in the face right now. Let's just turn it on. So I've got direct wind, and right now it's reading up into the 8.5 mile an hour winds. As you can see, we got 80 degrees. Let me also say this, because of the frame rate of the camera, the video makes it look like it's the propeller blades on the fan are not moving fast, but that's only due to the camera. I cannot see them spin. They are spinning super fast. So just be aware of that. Okay, I can definitely recommend this BTMETER wind speed gauge. I think it's awesome. Now, I've always guessed what the wind was, but now I will know for sure. I hope you found the video helpful.